In this video, I'll show you how to delete blank rows in Excel. In detail, we are going to explain, so please watch this video till end, and if you have any question or suggestion, you can let me know in the comment section below. First, how to delete blank rows in Excel. To delete one by one, it is easy. Either you can use your keyboard or you can use your mouse. You can select here. If you want to use your keyboard, then press Shift spacebar to select the entire row and Control minus to remove the row. Otherwise, if you are selecting only the selected data, again Control minus, again you have a pop-up. You can remove the entire row or Shift cell up to remove the rows. Suppose I am selecting entire row, then it will remove. If you want to use your keyboard, then Shift spacebar to select the entire row and Control minus to remove the entire row. So this is the simple method how to delete all blank rows in Excel if you have multiple data. So if you want to remove, then you have to select your data, then go to Home tab, click on Find and Select, click Go To, or you can use your keyboard shortcut as Ctrl plus G, then click on Special, click on Blanks, OK. Now it will automatically select, press Ctrl minus, now it will get the pop-up dialog box. You can shift off so that it will go little up, or you can select entire row if you don't have anything in the right hand side and click OK or enter from your keyboard. Now it will remove all the blank rows at a time. How to delete common blank rows in Excel? It is having two methods how you can remove the common blank rows, either using the filter option or using a Excel formula to identify the common rows. So first of all, we will use the filter method. Select the data, then go to Data tab, click on Filter. Then you have to select first one, select all. You have to untick, then click on blank, click OK. Select one by one, blank, and you can remove which are the common. And if you want to select again you go one by step and you remove. And it is difficult to work when you have lot of columns in your file. So how we can simplify this procedure? So how we can identify whether we have empty columns or not, and how many we have empty columns, then we can remove easily. You can use any formula to identify how many columns you have. In this example, we are going to use one formula called count A equal to count A, open the bracket, select your range and close the bracket. So now it will identify total I have 4 and here you have 4. It means all the columns having the informations. Now select the data and you can find which is the 0 and filter and you remove. For example, I'm going to use RDFF. I'll filter only zeros. These are the rows which are common, and I can either select one by one or select the entire and Control minus and RDFF, and all my common rows are removed easily. So this is how you can delete all the blank rows in Excel, and also you can delete the common blank rows in Excel. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, please like and share. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.